Welcome back, friends. Let's get right into this one. I feel like the other woman. I never thought to ask, what are your views on marriage? For me, with you, it's simply a social contract that envelopes our economic and legal affairs. It is sealed, though we remain emotionally unfulfilled. I am the woman you promised forever to, so I expect forever, but forever feels like a never-ending saga of who's got next. I am a product of society, poorly programmed to believe that if I'm 40 and not married or is divorced, I'll be seen as a failure. I am desperate. I need a man to complete me. My success is based on my marital status. I need you to stay. If I tell you I'm pregnant, then will you leave her for me? I've waited so long just to hyphenate my name. They said that married women are more likely to climb the social ladder respectfully. Respect. I can't remember the last time your actions made me feel respected by you. But whose fault is it? I've coaxed you into this union. I've manipulated you into seeing things through my lens because I do not yet understand my value. A man who findeth a wife findeth a good thing. Doesn't that determine my worth? This is biblical. You're religious, right? Yet you've never treated me like I was good enough. Tell me why. Am I the woman that occupies a space in your heart, or simply the one that you are obligated to? Even in my marriage, I feel like the other woman, sending her photographs of you and I just to prove that in fact you are spending time with me. The time that I have to fight to secure because you'd much rather spend your time seeking companionship from other women. Women whom you share dreams with, secret apartments and bank accounts. Fears and failures are shared with her, not me. Woman whom you have promised forever with. I thought forever was mine. If forever is shared, dreams are shared. Your love I can't seem to grasp. Respect you've never given. Then what are you offering to me? The title. At least I'm married. I can continue to climb the social ladder. Sounds like some Victorian era mess. But environmental factors, they matter. 1958. Lituva-based tsunami. Even my anchored boats won't survive this one. This is a purge, a planet awakened, tsunami waves traveling beyond the shores, destroying forest lands and gardens of weeds alongside rivers, flowing beyond counties and cities, states and countries, continents and constellations, Draco to the north, nodes that illuminates the flow of the reckoning. I think we're still en route to the mountaintop. Starry nights with blue moons so bright. You think a harvest was near. My seeds planted a decade ago, eradicated. My downfall I didn't see because unlike Nostradamus, I lack vision. Prophetic, pathetic I call her, resorting to name-calling and tantrums, like a toddler who does not yet have words to effectively communicate. I need grace. It is I that doesn't know my worth, my value I never learned. I am the mortar of my own life, inhibiting my own growth because of the fantasy of my life. It's complicated. Marriages have their problems, except these problems existed before our union was ever a thought. My lack of consciousness forces me to dwell on the assets, the house and the cars. There's investments and friendship circles and the kids. The kids. Will you stay for the kids? You must. Otherwise, I will turn the kids against you. Our friends will come to despise you. I've been collecting evidence against you because I always knew that one day you try to leave. My reputation won't be soiled because you suddenly desire emotional fulfillment. Love. a figment of the imagination. Don't become an idiot chasing a feeling. You have power. We have the status I desire. Let's continue. Curfew, it's at midnight. In a state of metamorphosis, you leave her, transitioning from Cinderella to the Christ. Crawling on your stomach, wishing you could stay just a little while longer. And just like a thief in the night, you enter the bed that we share silently. I am woke, but certainly not awakened, fighting about the bubonic plague while my soul is dormant. I do not value me, yet I am asking him to recognize me. Sometimes you're accompanied by Chanel and Mac, forgetting that lips pressed against your stick sometimes stains. Pictures painted with a scarlet hue, but as long as the world doesn't know about your circle of women of color and your wheel possesses additional colors like purple and pink, providing a false sense of security, allowing me to feel like royalty because I have the social status I desire. My feminine allure is a bit static, just like you. The frequency is bleeding that scarlet hue. My vision is clouded. I have lost my footing. My emotions are crammed. I need space, me time, stuck in the loop of the linear energy of the lower planes, receiving gifts for small favors just like you. Come on, you didn't really believe that my gifts were innocent. When was the last time you received an innocent gift from a beautiful woman? Now that we understand each other, I will settle for the weekends. After all, everything must be hyphenated. There's others to please. My self-imposed sacrifices won't be in vain. My children will call me blessed, though I have no desire to nurture them. No, I won't cook, and I most certainly won't groom them. Isn't that what the fathers are for? I am a modern woman. My views, they are Victorian. I am finally victorious, liberated, controlled by the falsehoods of society and my desires for materialism. I am independently codependent, desperately needing to be somebody's wife. I am your wife, the lifelong partner you seek, a divine union prearranged by the universe itself. But I feel like the other woman. What does that mean to you?